I'm nerding out about the future. Robert Scoble is a evangelist para the Google Glass que tengo yo aquí. I don't know what glass journalism is, so I have to try it out. So what am I really nerding out about? Content. What I want to show you guys really is AR journalism. The way I define it, it's your real life enhanced by digital. This is from a colleague of mine, a friend of mine named BC Heavy, who launched this app.
Wow. Wow.
So you can interact with this physical space. It's not gimmicky per se, it's art. There's some content there. That was the hypothesis for my class that I taught last semester. Can I create AR experiences without being a developer? So my class, which was predominantly journalists, and I went and augmented the LA library, which is a beautiful Central Branch library. So one of the first experiences we created was to augment this torch that you find in the library. We used physical space as a visual marker, and you see a couple of experiences there. 3D model de Ulises. Edgar Allan Poe's The Raven, illustrated. You can experience this at home, and then sitio que yo tengo es el arjournalism.tumblr.com. So I would say this is the first draft of journalism. I don't want this. So in order for me to avoid this, for us to avoid this, we content creators need to go to this place and start creating content here and shaping it and defining what an article is.
How can we ensure almost ethical journalism when the user has a certain point of view, and that certain point of view could have an agenda or a message that they're trying to portray? We can't, right? There's no way to control that. We can't control that with any type of device, and that could be with a microphone, right? How do I know the person holding a microphone isn't doing something with malice to misinform society or to have their point of view and drown out the other, right? You really can't. And that's where ethics comes in, right? So when we as journalists try to create content, we want to do it ethically and accurately. That's part of our code of conduct. There's no law against being unethical, but it's unethical to be unethical, clearly. So there's no way of forcing that to happen. It's just good journalism. And that's what we're trying to do, whether it's on a device or a pen and paper or a microphone. We want to do good journalism. We're not losing our privacy. The truth is we've lost it. And we lost it a long time ago. We lost it when we have cameras in every building. There's one right over there. What this has done is made the tools to do this type of surveillance applicable to everybody, right? So now that's in your phone, and eventually it could be on your wrist or on your face. So the concept of privacy in digital is not there. So I usually tell journalists and my students to function. You're safer when you're functioning as if you don't have privacy. If you are who you are, you're genuinely public, transparent. You're not one person in one situation and a different person in another. You are who you are in both real life and digital life. You're going to function in a better kind of way, and your frame of mind is going to function better.